Hello, today I'm going to show you how to type on a PDF document and add your name with their signature tool. The first thing you need to do is open your document. Once it is opened, you will come up to the top and you will look for this icon that looks like a pen with ink. You will click on it and it will give you your options for the document. If you are going to type text, you will click on this icon that has the cursor AB. Then you will go down to where you need to type on your document and click. A box will pop up to show you how to type. You will type your answer or your words there. You can adjust the size or delete it. You would then click on the next area you need to type, and you would type here as well. If you need to sign your document, you would then go to the section where you need to sign. You would come back up and click here where it says sign. My name is already signed. If not, you can add your name. I would find the area I needed to sign. I would click to add my signature. You can adjust the size, or you can adjust the size here, and you can move it to whatever section you need. When you are done, you go up and save your document, then email that document to whoever needs it. Your typing and your signature will be saved on the document. I hope this is helpful.